In this video, I'm gonna show you how to show the stop loss and the take profit on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, let's place our trade. So my take profit will be, for example, here, and my stop loss will be, for example, here. Okay, just for example. Click on confirm buy, and as you can see, we can't see the take profit and the stop loss. So all you have to do is go to the left sidebar and click on settings. Then go to take profit, stop loss, stop limit, and turn it on like this. Now hide this panel, and as you can see, you will see your take profit and your stop loss. As you can see, you can modify them from here if you want, like this. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.